Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to know who see my status on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp and now you want to know that who one is seeing your status, so let's see how can you check this. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and here go to updates or status section, and here you just have to update the status that I'm going to select once. Here you can select a photo or a video. As I have selected a video, just select it, and here you will see the option of status and bracket contacts. You just have to select it, and here you can easily see or customize that who one can see your status. Here's my contacts option. If you have selected this one, so your status will be shown to all of your contacts. But if you have selected the second one, which is my contacts accept, you just have to select this option and then select the person which you want to don't see your status. Here just tap on 0 and here you can easily select the person which you don't want to see your status, and here's the third option which is only share with. Just select it and here you have to select the person with which you want to share the status. So that's how you can easily know that who is seeing your WhatsApp status. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.